Hello traders, thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here. For those of you who have been with me for a while, you know that I don't teach candlestick patterns. However, I saw something developing in my Euro JPY chart last night, and when I saw it again this morning, I knew that I had to share this with you. Last night I saw this huge pink bullish candle, and I instinctively felt like price was going to fall down. When I saw it again today, then I knew I had to share this with you. The pattern that you see before you is called the three line strike, and it's actually a continuation pattern. It's a pattern that you don't see very often in the charts, though that's why I'm bringing it to your attention, because I don't want you to confuse this with the bullish engulfing pattern. What generally happens, especially with new traders, if they see price run up like this, then what they tend to do is to go long with price, which is good. But instead of getting out, what they tend to do is they hang on up here and they actually end up getting stuck on the wrong side of the trade before price begins to move against them, and then they're stuck. So this pattern is a three line strike. You don't see it often, but it's a pattern that you want to be aware of. Now you don't want to confuse it with this pattern, because as you see, price is moving in a bullish fashion before you get this huge pink candle. Now I'll say personally, if I'm trading this real time and I saw this much price movement after seeing this kind of price movement before it, then I go ahead and protect my profits somewhere up here and take my trade off the table. Because anytime you have this much price action in a small amount of time, you want to be suspicious. It doesn't always work out that price falls down, but usually if I see this, I expect price to begin to fall back down. This is what I call a killer candle. But here you'll notice that price is actually moving in a bullish fashion. So don't confuse this pattern with the three line strike pattern. Now you'll notice in the three line strike pattern, price is actually moving in a bearish fashion before you get a huge run up in price, and then price begins to fall back down again. And this is definitely a killer candle. Because I'm in the market real time and I don't know one candle from the next, when price runs up like this after previous price has not been quite so strong, then it makes me leery. What you see before you here is actually a bullish engulfing pattern. And it's actually a pretty strong pattern, because not only is it engulfing the real body of the previous bearish candle, it's also engulfing the shadow as well. And what you'll notice about a legitimate bullish engulfing pattern is you will get a bullish candle confirmation to confirm that that's actually a bullish engulfing pattern. Guys, as I said, this is not rocket science, but I do believe that it is essential for you to understand your candlesticks and get to know your candlestick reversal patterns, as well as the psychology behind what's going on in your chart. It will help to make you a much better trader. Live well, love hard, play a lot, and have fun.